Morning crafters, morning mga kausok. So we have to do it again. Kasi po yung kaninang video namin, picture lang pala ginawa ni Jem. Alright. Welcome to another video here in our workshop. So just a quick video to show you what are the basic fire tools that we have. First up is we have this L-shaped rake. So it's pretty simple. It has a spring handle, round bar, and an L-shaped rake. This tool you can use to push the coals or pull the coals or spread it out on your grill area, no? Or on your Santa Maria grill. So this is a pretty simple tool, but makes a lot of difference. All right. Second step, we have a shovel. This shovel is where you can scoop out the ashes or move the embers from, if you have a brasero or a wood burner, you can scoop the embers and transfer it underneath your Santa Maria grill. And of course, you can also use this as a pan or an ash pan. Using your rake, you can take off the ash, collect the ash when you use these two tools. No? Once it's full, you throw it and then you keep on cleaning up your Santa Maria grill. The third one is we have the flambadou. Flambadou is used by French. No? It's an old traditional tool to add flavor to your grilled or cooked meat. So this stays on the embers as while you're cooking steak, and then once it's hot and once your steak or food is ready to be served, you will add beef fat or beef tallow inside. As soon as it touches the hot metal, it will start to drip, and then you can just let it drip around your steak or any meat that you want to add flavor using your tallow and your beef fat. Alright, so it's a flambadou. Alright, this one is a wood splitter. It's pretty heavy, sturdy build. It has 4 holes to screw it on your wall. And then you can lift the bar, add your wood here, push it down so you can split the wood. So this one is better used with properly cured wood log or wood stick, no? To be effective. All right, and then we have a rib rack. No? This rib rack is placed inside the smoker to maximize the space. For example, if you want to add more pork ribs on your cook, but you have a limited space, you can slide this inside your smoker and you can place your pork ribs on its side, upright, place it in between of the metal. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more spare ribs to cook instead of just one laying on your smoker. Last one is we have an uling starter, most commonly known as charcoal chimney starter. We call it an uling starter because Filipino tayo. Alright, so this one is pretty big in size. We make it bigger because some of them, they use this to sear steaks. They place mesh on top or grill, and then they can sear the steak or put a casserole to make this a cooker. Yeah, so it has a BarrelPro writing holes underneath to get air. It has a mesh to hold the coals inside, and a wooden handle, pretty sturdy and big. So these are all our basic tools that you can avail through our Lazada store, or you can also send us direct message. We also have a TikTok shop, and on our website as well. So if you want, you can just send us a message and to learn where you can get this. It's pretty simple tools, but it can make a lot of difference in your grilling and smoking or on your next pit session. Thank you very much, and smoke on.